Hello students, today in this video we are going to learn about computer devices, parts of CPU and computer memory. A computer is made up of four types of devices. What are those? Those are input devices, processing device, output devices and storage devices. We'll understand the term. Now, what are input devices? The devices that are used to enter data and information. What is processing device? The device that processes the input data. What are output devices? The devices that shows the result. And what are storage devices? The devices that store data and information. So we'll have a look at the example. So the example of input devices are keyboard, mouse. Example of processing device is CPU. The example of output devices are monitor, printer, and storage devices is hard disk, pen drive. So we could understand this term with the help of example. Now, if you want to stitch a cloth, what you need? You need a cloth which we can consider as an input, and in order to process it, we need a sewing machine which is going to process, and the outcome, the result will be the shirt. Okay. Now you already know about CPU. What is CPU? CPU means the central processing unit. Okay, which is present inside the CPU box and it does all the calculations of the computer. Now the CPU has three parts. What are those? ALU, CU, MU, where ALU stands for arithmetic and logic unit, CU stands for control unit, and MU stands for memory unit. So all these parts perform different functions. So now let's see what is the function of arithmetic and logic unit. So the function of ALU is that it does all the calculations of the computer. CU, that means control unit, as the word states, control, which means it controls all the activities of the control. And the memory unit, now you could easily recognize what is the use of memory unit. Memory unit is used to store information. Okay, store data and information. Next we have storage device, that means the memory. The data and instruction that are entered into the computer system through input units are to be stored inside the computer in some storage media. This storage media is known as memory. So there are two types of computer memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is considered as the main memory and the secondary memory is considered as the temporary memory. Further, primary memory are categorized into two parts, that is RAM and ROM. RAM means random access memory, ROM means read only memory. Now, what is the use of RAM and ROM? RAM is used to hold the data temporarily while the computer is working, and it get erased when the computer is switched off. Whereas ROM holds the instruction given by the manufacturer to operate the computer. Now let's see the secondary memory. Further, it is characterized as types, that is hard disk, compact disk, CD and pen drive. So hard disk stores all the software and data and it is fixed inside the CPU box. Whereas CD and pen drive are the portable devices which stores a large amount of data. That's all. I hope you have understood. Thank you.